Are you audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, last class we have done for the bisection method. So first initially we choose two root lies between, that's finding giving the values a and b. We choose such a way negative and positive. At a may be negative, at b may be positive, whatever may be. The root lies between. In between this we start. Then average we find out. X1 is equal to a plus b by 2. You will get, taking that value again you will substitute in that equation. Suppose at this value function negative means what? We can leave the previous negative. At this value function is positive means why we leave the previous positive. Again we can find out average. So last class we done actually up to 4 decimals means what we tried. I given one problem, maybe you can try. Then I will give the notes also, then you can exercise, you can do yourself. Next we go for the Newton's method or Newton-Raphson method. It's called actually method of secant. They will draw the tangent, they will find out theory not declared. Just you can remember the formula. Then they will like to find the n plus 1 root. Yes. To find n plus 1 root, just you can write xn plus 1 is equal to sum x. Xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. If you know x naught means what? 0th root, then x in 10 is equal to 0. X naught, f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Here they may ask rate of convergence, very very important. They may ask actually you have 1 mark questions, that is very very important. The condition for the convergence. They may ask 1 mark question. What is the condition for the convergence of the Newton-Raphson method? This you can remember, note down. We start the find the smallest positive root of the equation. Take down. Shall rub off the formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find the smallest positive root of the equation. Now we also check. Always you can take two values such a way that the functional value will be lies between negative and positive. Okay? I will start with 0. Smallest first. F of 0 is 1. F of 1 is what? F of 1 is
Minus
Hello?
0.5, sir.
Yes, wait. Now okay. No, actually, these are actually both are same values. Which is you will take x naught means what? Which value near to 0 I can see. Don't see the symbol actually. Numerical values here, both are got same, but it doesn't matter if you take x naught is equal to 0 or whatever, maybe traveling is easy. Take x naught is equal to 0. Okay. Otherwise, you can take the after coming the value which is the near to 0. Okay, which is the smallest value. For that value, you can choose as a x naught that you can keep always remember. Now we can will choose as x naught is what? Now my formula is what? Xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Some people they will substitute it here as xn f of xn f minus. Simply they will write one formula, they will substitute and see. So what you some textbooks they may formula xn plus 1 is equal to xn. What is my f of xn here? F dash xn is what? If you want, you can simplify. You can prepare as a one formula. Then you can attack. Simplify means what you get? 3 x cubed minus 2xn minus of this is what? X cubed n plus 2xn minus 5. Otherwise, you can keep as this, it doesn't matter. n is equal to 0 means what you will get x1 is equal to. And find x1 then. What is the value? What is x1? I got 0.25. X naught is equal to 0. So
0.25.
put x naught is equal to 0. This is x1. Then finding x2, what you will do? X1 by. You can use this formula in x1. Okay. One by one substituted. Which two values are similar? Then you can start. No, I never use. Again, x2 is equal to what? Where is my x1 actually? Check. Same answer I got it or not. We got same answer or not. Then go for x3. This also I got. If you substituted, I hope 0.2586, then I will stop the root. Go back and check in solution. 0.00 means you can stop. Otherwise, sometimes what will happen while doing the ring maybe oscillation will come. Just to check at previous value, then 0.000 means what solution you can stop. Sometime it will reach the solution again, it will start oscillation. So carefully you can do. By practice, you will understand. Initially, don't worry. Next.
Sir, it is coming 0.2586.
Yes, yes, very good. So then of two values same means the smallest positive root is 0.2586. Check it, substitute in solution what you are getting value, tell me. What value you are getting? Check. We stopped actually. What value you are getting? Are you there? Hello?
Point triple zero one.
Huh?
Point
Triple zero.
triple zero one.
Then okay. Somewhat happy. Then stop. And okay. Now this probably you can try slowly we do. Okay. Compute the real root of x log base 10x is equal to 1 point. Correct it to 3 decimal places using Newton-Raphson method. Correct it to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places means from initially you can go for 4, 4, 4, 4. Finally you can stop, make it round at third place. This is very dangerous problem. What is my f of x? Is there base 10 actually? In your calculator LOG you can use. But in anywhere, if I am not mentioning the base means what you can take in for granted base is E. What is the difference between E base as a E and base is 10? What is their names? Base E is what? Base 10 is what? So if I am not mentioning anywhere logarithm, if I write LOG or LN, if I am not writing base means what you can take in for granted as a base as a E. Suppose if other than E means what we have to mention, how you will write it doesn't matter LN or LOG. But where you will use base E, normally our number system is decimal system, logarithmic is what log base 10 of 2 we use. But base E is where it will come picture. Okay, this problem you started actually, they are giving f of 2 is negative, f of 3 is positive. Just you can find f of 2 and f of 2, that's what I'm giving. Tell me f of 2 and 3, what are the values? Use calculator, sir. Anyone doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the value tell f of 2? What you got f of 2? Correct or not? Check at least. Are you there or not? Only one by only talking.
Yes, sir. 7-9. It is coming.
Correct, huh?
7. Yes, sir. 794. It is coming.
That is f of 3.
We're finding out, sir.
F of 2 I written minus 0.5980. Check.
Sir, f of 3 is coming.
Yes, sir.
0.23.
Then f of 3 you can find log base 10 you can use properly, you can use calculator. Not
Yes,
ln.
sir. Sir,
Emoji
0.231.
base 10 power x is there that you can use. Just from
Sir.
textbook I'm copying again, you can check actually.
Sir, f of 3 is coming 0.2313. 14.
Very good. 0.2313. I think you people are the shift system
Sir,
working.
two-
One day
two, three, one,
only
four.
girls will talk, one day only boys only talk. Huh?
0.2314. But we round it
How
up,
many
it's
what you got?
23.
Directly 1.4 you got.
No, sir, no, sir.
Rounding up.
0.2313637.
Okay, 1.123 can keep. Okay. Because given textbook, you know that while doing the exam, you can do as well, no problem. Now, up to here, okay, no problem. Suppose, now which is the smallest value you can see? Which you will take x naught. Now only story will start. What value will take as x naught? I given one hint. In
Sir, F3.
see the numerically, don't see the symbol. In which who is the smallest fellow? Functional value. F of 2 I am getting small value or f of 3 I am getting small value. Numerical value see, don't see the symbol. Plus minus economic.
F of 3, sir.
F of 3.
So at 3 my function is smallest value. You can start x naught as a 3. Then you will travel is what less iterations actually. So in less steps you will reach to 0. That is the beauty of this problem. If you take 2 also doesn't matter. Maybe if you get x8 means what solution maybe get x9 like this, x10. 1 or 2 steps maybe go forward. It's not doesn't mean is you don't get the route like this. You will get, but it will take time. But such a way, initially you can choose properly. Now okay, up till okay. Then f dash you tell me what is f dash. Then only story will start. F of x is equal to x log x minus 1.2. F dash is what?
Log x to the base 10.
What?
Log x to the base 10.
Yes. Tell. UV method you can use product rule, but can you do this? Think and tell me. Don't go hurry. This anyway is 0. This is how you differentiate.
By parts, maybe.
Yeah, pi parts. Hey, pi parts in integration, yeah. Product rule you can use. Differentiation I am asking. By parts where it will come in integration story. This is differentiation, product rule. But can you able to do integration or not? That I need. That's what I am expecting. UV method means what you can write a u dash v plus v dash u. No problem. Can you do directly integration? Sorry, differentiation. Oh, one is answering. Can you differentiate log x base 10? Tell me. Normally log x differentiation is what?
1 by
Differentiation of
x.
log x is what? 1.86. Why? Log x differentiation is
1
what I am asking.
1 by x. You said 1
by
by x.
1 by. Log x differentiation is what? 1 by x. Correct? Huh? But which log you will take there actually when while doing the differentiation?
E log to the base E.
That's what I am standing and waiting. Any one of you open your mouth like this. In integration and differentiation throughout our life, you can remember base E only use that E name is what I asked. Nobody replied me. It's a natural logarithm. Correct or not? Throughout life, wherever may be, whatever may be, in integration, differentiation means what? Base E only allowed, not base 10. If it is base 10 means what you will do? You have to use as a base E, change as a base E. How you will change? Log x base 10 you can change. First term, okay, if you differentiate this, you can treat as a constant 1 into log x base 10 plus x into, if you do means what? The story will start. Log A base B means what? If you want a new base, how to write? One formula is there, logarithmic. I can change the bases, but how you write? I want to introduce new base. Actually, a base B is there. Suppose if I write log A base B, log E base B. Agree? Can you agree? See? Log A base B, how can I write? Log A base E into log E base B. This is nothing but log A base B. Am I correct or not? Say yes or no?
yes, sir.
So now actually I need log base E is required for me, not with the base 10 I can't actually. In integration differentiation throughout life, you can remember, you can't do the base 10. So what you will do, that fellow I can change actually. So what will you tell me? differentiation of this, what you will get actually? 1 by x log e base 10. If you want, you can see log e base 10 value also there. Log e base 10 is 0.4343. So this I can write. Okay, yeah. Now come to the y of x. I am not disturbing it, keeping as a 10 only I am doing. Then plus x into this fellow differentiation is what? 0.4343 by x. Check.
Sir,
Correct or not? Any problem? Am I confusing a lot?
sir, doubt.
Yes, tell me.
In the above formula, the whole equation is natural log, but here you converted log into natural log.
That's what I am telling you. While doing the differentiation, you have to bring to base e. But I am not changing, I am keeping as a base 10 only. But we have one formula, log a base b I can write. I can introduce new base, log a base e, log e base b. This is nothing but log a base b only. So log x base 10, how can I write? Log x base e, log e base 10. Log e base 10 from calculator I will get 0.4343. Then log x base e differentiation is what? 1 by x. So actually if you speak truly, d by dx of log x base 10 is what? After changing manipulation, 0.4343 by x. I am not introducing directly log e. Log e I written in the form of the log base 10. Correct? Now if you do f dash x means what? This is UV method, not UV. This is constant actually. Log, therefore not constant. Log this you can, this also function of x is there. X will become 1, you can keep this plus this x will come this. This differentiation already I explained here, I will tell. Any problem? Tell me still if you have doubt. Because in generally log other than log base e, logarithm of base e, you cannot differentiate and integrate. If it is there, you have to change to in terms of e that given term, then you can attack. That is the rule of differentiation and integration. Natural logarithm only we can do. Clear? Now my f dash x is what? Log x base 10 plus 0.4343. Now prepare formula. Children are now clear? F dash x also in your hand. Just you can try attack. Now find the roots. Right. By using Newton-Raphson method, what is the formula? X naught is what? What we are taking 3m. What is my X naught? 3. If you want, you can simplify in terms of X also. This value, you can tell me what value you are getting. Check and tell me, don't do blindly. What value you are getting, then stick and see, refer, if you yourself also do. Then go for X2. I got X2 check actually. This time writing directly. You have to substitute this time skipping here. You should not write an exam like this X1. What is X1 value? You have to substitute. A small root is 2.741.
Sir,
Yes.
the X1 value is coming 2.7462.
That's okay. 2.7462 you can keep actually. This 3 digits actually up to 3 digits I taken. No problem. 2.746 I taken. Then these two you can stop actually.
Sir,
Same
it is
values I
coming.
got.
Sir, it is coming 2 point, not 0 point, 2 point. Here it is 0.2746.
Yeah. Sorry. Thank you. Thanks, sir. 2 point only. Right. Because next value is what? 2.741, 2.74. Thank you, sir. Next. Next, very important question. This again you can cross check, don't copy down blindly. But operation calculator is very important. In examination, you can't do otherwise without practice. See, evaluate value of root 12 using the Newton-Raphson. If they are asking evaluate the root 12, actually using calculator find out root 12 value, what is the value? Tell me. These type of problems are very easy. We can tricky, we can do a lot of things we can do. We can cheat the examiner also. What is the root 12 value? Tell me. Maybe 3 point something you will get, correct?
3.46.
Wait. Evaluate root 12 to 4 decimal places by Newton-Raphson method. Tell me, what is the value calculated we see? 3 point. From calculator, what you got? What is the calculated value, sir? Root of
3.4641.
4641. Next, another is not there.
01615.
You can keep in some roughly backside examination paper, you can write. So, your aim is what? He is asking up to 4 decimals. So, you have to reach is what? This is the exact value. So, answer in your hand. Anyway, you can bring that fellow. But you will do the problem. That you can keep in mind actually. If you know the answer means what? This is equal to answer, you can write, come back to the question. That is the way of doing. So already you know this, you can keep in mind. Suppose if you don't get some water, you will get maximum. You will get 4, 6 something, 4, 2 means what finally, and right, we got 4, 6, 4, 1. Let us keep in these type of problem, lot of things with their numerical methods. We know the first initial itself answer. I try to reach that answer. Okay, that you can keep in mind. Now I will start. Root 12 values is asking. Now how we will start? Like x is equal to root 12. And in examination they will ask generally root n they will ask. General formula they will ask. That I will do. First root 12 I will do. Then hence deduce root 12 or root 15 or root 24, whatever may be. They will ask initially, evaluate root n they will ask actually. Getting or not? So after this they will come for this value. From this you can find this. Okay. Now root 12 how you will start actually tell me. So from this what you understand, my root lies between where? In between what values? My root lies between what values, sir? 3.4 means
3 and 4.
very good. So initially you can choose f of 2, f of 3 and f of 4. That is the way. So no need to waste time also. If I don't want to start f of 1, f of 2 like this. Correct or not? So root 12. Then this below is what? X square is equal to what? Correct. Check. Now who is x naught here? Who is x naught?
F of 3.
3. So x naught is equal to 3. Then start, we know the familiar formula, xn plus 1. the values. F of 3.5 you can find out. Sorry, all of you joined in GCR. Suppose if nobody joined me, just inform your friend, confirm. Everyone should be there in GCR. Because cycle test only have to write through GCR only.
Sir, it is coming 3.4643.
4642 is given. What you got? 3 point?
4643.
Textbook given 4642. For the time being, I will take this value. But anyway, you will get it. Now again, you can go for x3. x3 is reaching, I think so. x3 and x4 same value you will get. Then stop the value. Already you know the value. 3.4641 is the correct answer. And another thing I forget. Okay. This is normally you will do. Generally, they won't ask actual root 12. They will ask root 10, find the general formula, hence find root 12 like this. That is the problem. Wait, that problem I have to do. Generally, how they will ask, find the roots for root 10, then hence deduce. Hence means what? Using the above formula, then you can find out. Wait, that problem we do. Wait, root 10, I think so. Root 10, root p, whatever may be. Yes. Find the iterative formula for find root 10. 10 is a positive. Hence find root 5 is asking. Same story. So how you will find? This generally they ask just root 12. Instead of that, they may ask actually find the iterative value for root n. Then they go for the hence deduce whatever maybe root 5 or root 12 whatever. You formula substituted there. This is very important. Maybe MCQ question they may ask iterative formula for what is root n also. Who is my X? By who is my F dash? The general formula, then you can attack. What value they are asking? Suppose hence deduce 5 means take n is equal to 5. 12 means n is equal to 12 you can take. 24 means 24 you can take. But before doing that, a numerical value means check your calculator and attack. Suppose if we have anywhere, suppose cos x sin x means what? Better your calculator change to radian mode. Suppose x is equal to 1 means for cos of cos 1 length means what? Carefully you can do. Suppose if we have a sometimes maybe you will get x cube minus cos x plus 1 like this, x cube plus sin x plus 1. If there comes the picture in terms of cos and sin means what? Always your mobile you can keep in radians, then you can do. Already in third semester also you ought to remember or not, I don't know that what is this. Harmonic series you done in not. That maybe they tell you always you can keep in your mobile in radian mode. Similarly, also you can keep in radian mode. You won't get mistakes actually. Next type is, I hope this is enough. Then I will go for next type. Regular falsy and false position. Newton's law. I will send you the questions, don't worry, notes I will send you. Regular falsy method or false position, method of false position. This means what? Initially I will use one false position I will choose, then slowly I will come to the solution. This how you will write actually. Root how you will find means what? You then we do f of x actually. You find At f of a maybe you will get negative. Some value, whatever maybe a is some numerical value. I want to find the roots using the regular falsification. Then f of b positive. Then regular falsification, what is telling means a into f of b minus a b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of b. So actually bisection method means what? Any one side only I will come actually like this. But this is what, but for both sides I will travel here and here and here and here. Slowly I will get. Initially I will start with false position. Slowly I will reach. So geometrically mean not required for you. This we can keep. A f of b minus f of b. Second term minus first term. Then a into what? F of a won't come. A into f of b minus b into f of a. F of b minus f of a. This also how the same story. You will get actually positive, negative. Then new root, what you will get? Some root you will get. You go back and substitute it in equation. Suppose at new value, my function reaches positive means what? Previous positive you can leave. Now, this new fellow you can take as a b. Reaching or not? Any confusion? Sir?
Sir, can you explain again, sir? Didn't understand.
See, wait. Again I will start. Wait, listen. I am starting at A and B. Up to here, okay? Yeah? At A, my function is negative. At B, my function is positive. Like actually bisection method. Clear or not up to here?
Yes, sir.
Then from furtherly, I want to find root actually. Correct or not? Previously, what we done? Bisection method means what? A plus B by 2, x1, x2, x3 I got. But here what you will do formula? A into f of b, b into f of a, f of b minus f of a. Here I will get new root. Okay or not? We found it actually f of a I got initially, f of b I got initially. Then I found it using this formula a into f of b minus b into f of a, f of b minus f of a. That time. So I got new value. Some I assume it is x1. Correct or not? Up here clear?
Yes.
Clear or not? So taking this x1, I am substituting in my function. Suppose yet this x1, my value, my functional value negative means what? Now what you will say? My root lies between x1 and b. Am I correct or not? At x1, my value is negative means what? Previous negative you can leave it. A value you can leave. Any problem? Hello?
No.
Okay. Take now this x1 you can take A. Again x2 you will find A with the B you can keep as this B. Suppose if the story over. If f of x1 don't get positive negative. A positive or negative I am telling you two cases I am explaining actually. Suppose f of x1 is positive. Then what you will take? Take x1 as a B, leave the previous B. Reaching or not? So my new value at that function negative means what? Leave the previous negative. At my new value, function reaches the positive means what? Leave the previous positive value. This you can keep as a B. Any doubt? Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So same story. There means what we did average. Here some formula we are using. But here A, B will play. Previous negative you can omit, previous positive you can omit. What is the value that after that only it speaks lot? My new value, how it will place role. So according to that, I may omit previous positive, previous negative. Correct or not? So such a way. Now okay. Take one problem, you'll understand.
Sir, can you move a little bit, sir?
Yes. Okay. Now take one question. Solve for the positive root of positive root of x cube minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 by regular false method. What is f of 1?
-2, sir.
Minus 2. Actually, this question you can see properly. Smallest positive root. Maybe suppose if you start f of 1, f of 2 also positive you will get. Root lies between 1 and 2 also you can say. So from 0 I am telling. Smallest means I am starting with 0. So better you can start with check smallest positive root if they ask. Suppose if you see f of 2 means what? Initially if you start f of 1, f of 2 means what? Root lies between 1 and 2. 2 degree 3 means how many roots I will get here?
3, sir.
3, sir.
3 roots will get. So already 2 roots are between 0 and 1, 1 and 2. Smallest means what I will take? F of 0, 1, f of 1 is 2. Okay. Now start the problem. Okay, now we will start. 0 is what you got positive value. Smallest value you can take 0. It's not to positive, not as matter. Just check actually. Suppose if I start A is equal to 0, then positive value I am taking 0, B is equal to 1. Then x what you will get? Find x1 A into f of b minus b into f of a. What will you tell me?
Sir, sir,
Yes,
this is possible, right, sir?
Okay, that's not because minus plus if you want you can take that, that's not a problem. It's telling f of a and f of b are two opposite signs enough. You can take a and b whatever, maybe it doesn't matter. Just I started negative positive, doesn't matter.
Sir, x1 equal to 1 by 3.
Yes.
x1 equal to 1 by 3.
Point, you can tell him points, you can tell.
0.33.
0.3333. Take for 5 points is taken. See, it doesn't matter. You can another thing I want to tell. What you want take, it doesn't matter A and B. Two opposite signs you want. Negative value means previous negative value, you can leave it. Positive means positive value. So it should be always two different signs. F of A and F of B will be positive and negative. Correct? This doesn't matter. So okay, no problem. If you follow one method, any one method, okay. Now x1, what you got? Point.
0.33.
Wait, I'm coming. He's taken 1, 2, 3, 5 points taken over. Six decimal systems. Now substituted f of x1 value, substituted what value you are getting? Tell me. What is f of x1?
Sir, minus 0.2950.
Hmm? Zero 0.2963 we got check. You're doing wrong. I think the calculator used properly, sir.
Sir, 0.2963 minus
Yeah, whole thing will
0.2963.
collapse actually. If suppose small decimal changes, the whole thing collapse because anyway I'm in my hand textbook is there I'm talking. So to do properly, otherwise you will face problem. F of x1 is what? At least with 1 I am matching this value. Okay, so absolutely correct. Now this is negative sign. Now the root lies between which two now? Leave the previous negative value. So 0 and 0.333, correct? See,
Yes.
at x1 is this fellow, at x1 is what? Negative. My previous negative is what? 1. I started my problem, root lies between 0 and 1. Correct or not? Now, this also negative means what? Leave the previous negative. Now, my root lies between is what? 0 and 1 by 3. If we, as you said, 1 by 3 also you can keep as if you want. It won't, without loss of generality. If you want, you can say 0 and 1 by 3 also you can say. Okay, yeah. Any problem? Now, my root lies between what? Tell me. If you do 3 or 4 problems, you will understand that. Don't worry. Now, again you can do A into f of b. Now, who is A? It doesn't matter who will take A, who will take B, but you can remember which is negative, at what value negative, what value positive. That is important. That will speak a lot. Correct or not? If you take means what? Reversely, if you take means what? Numerator 1 minus, denominator 1 minus, minus minus become plus. That doesn't matter, whatever may be. Again, x2 you can find. Now again, who is A you are taking? Again, 1 by 3 A you are taking. This is B you are taking. Now x2 is equal to what? Substitute and tell me. Otherwise, in corner, if you want, you can write as A, B. A is positive, that is what A is negative, positive means you can write like this. N is what? 1, 0. In one corner, if you want, you can write.
X2 is 0.25714.
Wait, what you got? Tell me.
0.25.
Ah,
0.25714.
very good, nice. Same answer I got. Okay. Now f of x2 is what? Find f of x2 also slowly. Negative or positive f of x2?
Sir, minus 0.0115.
Okay, whatever may be negative value, correct? Huh? So that value doesn't matter for me. Negative. Now, the previously negative value is what? 1 by 3, huh? So I leave this fellow now. Now my value lies between what? In between what? Zero and 0.2574. Any problem?
No, sir.
Actually, that is somewhat hardness. You see, root lies between. If you're telling instead of telling zero, in between 0 and 0.2574 is good. Somewhat, it's nicely music sound is good. In between bigger number actually 1 to 2 is good. In between 2 to 1 is different actually. That's why maybe they're taken A and B. But doesn't matter. Two different signs. So that lot of things they will do. It's not just like that they won't take. So if you go deeply only, you will enjoy the subject. Now, root lies between is what? Which is between? Now, like this, you can write. Again, you can find x3. Go find out fast. Okay, Rabab here. Formula, don't forget it. A into f of b minus b into f of a divided by. But here, what you using f of b is denominator as f of b minus f of a. That pattern you don't forget. For same values you can subtract. X3 I got 0.25420. Check if what value are getting. Tell me.
Zero point 25417.
420 I got. Check.
Yes, sir. No,
Now check this value. Maybe negative or positive C. Maybe this also negative I will get. I hope. Negative 10. Root lies between 0 and 4 to 0. Then you can find x4. X4 I got. Don't copy down simply. Check the answer.
Sir, excuse me,
Yes, tell me.
sir, how much like variation is acceptable in these answers after decimals, like till till
Four decimals you can take maximum. 10 power minus 4 you can take. Maximum 4 decimals you can take. Fifth, after finally you can write. Fourth one you can make it around. Maximum 4 decimals you can take. Because already we are playing with error. In that error, best error we are choosing. Error, big error means what? Finally it will reach last actually. You have one textbook first actually. You will get a lot of questions. What examples are there? While doing in examples, you will understand actually. I'll send actually because tomorrow I'll take photo and I'll send it maximum. Maybe X5 also we will get. The smallest possible root, I'll stop here. Same problem you can bring. This previously this problem we tried using using Newton-Raphson method. Say with this problem we did. Now this problem you can try using the regular Falsey method. He got a root. Actually, if you want, then we do the answer. X2, X4. In fourth position, he got the root is these all are, if you want, you can try. This problem also you can. These are you can try with the regular Falsey method. Answer is A is equal to U is only telling 2.5. B is equal to 3. Answer if you want. So 3 decimals is also remaining with the 4 decimals. You can do false position method. Then if you want, you can use Newton-Raphson method. Few problems I will go just try. These all are only positive root only, that you can keep in mind. Find the positive root of x minus 1. Different problems, root 35 one problem, root 12 one problem. Fourth root of 24. Cube root of 17. Just try if we have time. Okay, next we go for the simultaneous equation, algebraic equation using the matrices, Gauss-Jordan, Gauss-Jacobi, Gauss-Seidel method. Like this we do. After that, I think first unit come. When is your cycle test 1? Date has come. When is cycle test 1?
Sir, it is starting from 17th of February.
February 17th. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. Are you planning to coming here actually at the online class only? They said actually.
So they said in the academia circular is updated that it will be online and the end semester will be the procure mode.
End semester should be in offline. You will come here. Correct? Huh?
No, sir. In Code Tantra, like the previous semester.
Oh, Code Tantra. Already you
Procure
written
mode.
in Code Tantra.
Yes, sir.
Third semester you prepared in Code Tantra already. You written actually. Maybe they may ask if the situation is good. They may cut in between. Okay, we hope for the best. We are waiting for to see you here. The online is bore. Okay, sir. I will stop here. Less people only coming. So I asked to join. Ask everybody should join in GCR. Who is the CR? Just you can take care, sir. So ask him to join our WhatsApp group also. I will send there actually what you want material, any material if I have, I will send there. Then I'll stop class here. Then you can go. Bye.
Sir, unit 1 completed.
What?
Sir, unit 1 completed.
No. Another 2-3 topics are there. Algebraic equation, linear equation we have to solve using matrices method. Gauss-Jordan, Seidel.
Okay.
It will go. Another 1 week it will go.
Okay.
1 week is enough, I think. So another 3 classes, 4 classes, we can wash out. Okay. But before that, you can prepare some textbooks if you get okay. Otherwise, I'll send you. Give me time actually. I'll send you. Don't worry. Notes I will send you. From there, at least exercise problems you can practice. Then only you will understand where you are standing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. You can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.